Hello everyone, welcome to January Real Estate Market Update. I'm Uroš Markovic, Calgary and area realtor, and today we'll review the January numbers, talk about tariffs, forecast and year ahead. 2025 is off to an eventful start with major political development already shaping discussion about the economy and housing market. The year began with a significant tariff threat from newly elected US President Donald Trump, who proposed 25% tax on all Canadian imports unless stricter measures were taken to secure the border against illegal immigration and narcotic smuggling. In response, the Canadian government decided to enhance border security, prompting the US to pause the tariff threat for 30 days. For now, things remain stable, but uncertainty looms. So how impactful the tariffs would be? What should we make of these threats? Experts remain divided. Some caution there is little historical precedent to predict the outcome, while others suggest the Canadian counter tariffs on US goods could balance the effect for consumers. However, employment adjustment may take some time as businesses navigate the potential economic shifts. For Canadian oil and gas sector, the proposed tariff includes a 10% tax on energy exports, a challenge, but not one expected to cause significant job losses among major Canadian energy companies. This is due in part to currency fluctuations. Tariffs would likely weaken the Canadian dollar, which could offset the impact since energy companies earn revenue in US dollars while incurring costs in Canadian dollars. With tariff threat temporarily on hold, the big question is whether it will resurface in a month. For now, consumers and businesses should stay informed but not make drastic financial decisions unless directly affected. Also, Calgary Real Estate Board has just published Calgary Real Estate Forecast. Each January, they release the annual forecast analyzing key economic indicators and predicting market trends. So today I will just briefly summarize what they said, but if you would like to dive deeper and review my entire forecast, you can just click on a card above and watch it full. For 2025, CREB anticipates more modern growth, forecasting price increase for just under 3%. Sales volume is expected to remain consistent with 2024 levels. CREB's forecast is based on several key factors. Alberta GDP growth projected to be 2.5% for a year. Interest rate adjustments. The Bank of Canada is expected to lower the overnight lending rate by 0.75%. Population growth. Calgary's population is set to increase by 3.1%, fueled by over 96,000 international migrants and significant interprovincial migration. With an influx of new residents, housing demand will remain strong, though price increases may be less dramatic than in recent years. Alright, so now is the time to review what happened in January. January market data suggests a stable start of the year. For the first time in 6 months, the average sales price did not materially decline, holding at $583,000, just $300 below December's average. Sales volume also increased comparing to December, aligned with the typical seasonal trends. As the market gains momentum, sales are expected to rise further heading into spring. One of the most notable trends has been market's balance. Since September 2024, Calgary has maintained approximately 2.5 months of supply, indicating neutral market conditions. This is unusual as markets typically lean towards either buyers or sellers' condition for extended periods. However, the balance may shift. By spring, Calgary could trend towards seller's market, though likely not for extreme levels as seen in 2024. For perspective, in January 2024, the city has only 1.3 months of supply, with the current supplies level nearly double at 2.51 months and a significant increase in available inventory compared to the last year. Buyers have more options and may take longer to make purchasing decisions. Well, now it's time to take a look ahead. Last February marked the beginning of a rapid market acceleration. Will history repeat itself? It is too soon to say, but early indicators suggest that 2025 could be another exciting year for real estate. If you haven't had any home evaluation recently, now is a great time to assess your property's market position. And if you have any questions, never hesitate to reach out. Thank you and see you next month.